This is going to be a video tutorial on how to always retain your previous session tabs in the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. As you can see up top here, I have 4 tabs opened up here. There's 4 tabs. I have my browser already set that when I close my browser, these same 5 tabs will reopen. The way to do that, it's very easy. Go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in this new page that has opened up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Startup. Then in the center pane, it says On Startup, and it gives you 3 options. The first one, open the new tab page. The second one, continue where you left off. That's where I have my browser set. And the third one, open a specific page or set of pages. If you want to restore your previous session each time you reopen your browser, you want this middle one here toggled on. That is how to always restore your previous session in the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.